Good morning, students. Welcome in HCP practical. Okay. Today's I will start the experiment number 17, that is to determine the loss on drying of absorbent cotton wool. In previous lecture we have discussed about the experiment number 16, that is to determine the sinking time and water holding capacity of absorbent cotton wool IP. Today's I will start the experiment number 17. Okay. In that, firstly, what is meant by the loss on drying? The loss on drying is the loss of weight expressed as percentage weight by weight resulting from water and volatile matter of any kind that can be driven off under specified conditions. The test is carried out on a well mixed sample of substance. Okay. New concept is proposition method of determination of loss on drying. In that, a method commonly used for the moisture content determination is the loss on drying method or LOD, that is loss on drying. Then it is used to specify the many major quality specifications. This is based on the thermogravimetric principle, in which a substance is heated until no more weight is lost, that is, it is the completely dry. Okay. Then general concept structure, that is firstly weighing bottle and sample, then place it in oven, then dry the sample till constant weight, then remove from the oven, weighing bottle and sample, weigh again, then calculate the percent weight by volume, loss on drying. Firstly, what the general concept structure? First is weighing bottle and sample, then place it in oven, dry the sample till constant weight, then remove from the oven, then again weighing bottle and sample, then calculate the percent weight by volume of loss on drying. Then learning objectives, intellectual skills and motor skills. First is intellectual skill, to understand the concept of evolution of absorbent cotton, then to understand the principle of loss on drying, that is a method commonly used for the moisture content determination is the loss on drying method or loss on drying LOD. Okay, it is used to specify many major quality specification. This is based on the thermogravimetric principle, in which a substance is heated until no more weight is lost, that is, it is the completely dry. These are the principle loss on drying. Then understand the step procedure of LOD, that is loss on drying. Then motor skill is ability to weight sample and weighing bottle, then ability to record the result. Okay. Purpose. What is the purpose of drying? The loss on drying is the widely used test method to determine the moisture content of sample, although occasionally it may refer to a loss of any volatile matter from the sample. Loss in drying does not usually refer to molecularly bound water or water of crystallization. These are the purpose of loss on drying. Then see, next is stepwise procedure. Loss on drying is the loss in weight in percent weight by weight resulting from the water and volatile matter of any kind that can be driven off under specific condition. Absorbent cotton wool is pure cellulose and contain around 6 to 7% moisture. Damp cotton may show increased naps and reduced absorbency. Therefore, amount of moisture present in the absorbent cotton is important to evaluate. Loss on drying is important criteria for determination of quality of absorbent cotton. Okay. Then step first is dry a glass toppered shallow weighing bottle in an oven at 105 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Then allow to cool to room temperature and then weigh the bottle accurately. Then weight of 5 gram of absorbent cotton, that is take from the different places and transfer to bottle. Close the bottle with a stopper and weight it. Then distribute the sample as evenly as practicable by gentle sidewise shaking. Then place the loaded bottles in the oven at 05 degrees Celsius. Remove the stopper. Then the stopper should be placed in an oven. Then next step is dry the sample to constant weight. Then constant weight measure to consecutive weighings to do not differ by more than 0.5 mg per gram of substance taken. The second weight should be made after an additional 1 hour of drying. The next step is after drying is completed, open the drying chamber, close the bottle immediately and allow to cool to room temperature in a desiccator before weighing. Desiccators is used for these are sealable enclosure containing desiccants used for preventing moisture sensitive items such as cobalt chloride, then paper for another use. A common use for the desiccators is to protect the chemicals which are hygroscopic or which react with water from humidity. Then desiccant is used in the desiccators. These are the desiccants are drying agent that extract water for the wide range of materials. They are either soluble or insoluble substances that absorb water due to their chemical properties. Example including silica gel, bauxites, calcium sulfate, and Montmorillonite clay. Soluble agents include calcium chloride and glycerin. Okay, these are the desiccants used in the desiccator. Then next step is weigh the bottle with content. Then calculate the loss on drying in percent weight by weight. Then note where drying in desiccator is specified. Care must be taken to keep the desiccant fully effective by frequent replacement. Desiccants are like, for example, silica gel, bauxite, calcium sulfate. Okay, then observation with the empty shallow weighing bottles, that is X. Then weighing of empty shallow weighing bottle with cotton, that is Y. Then weight of empty shallow weighing bottle with cotton, that is Z, after drying to constant weight. Okay, then calculation weight of cotton taken for the experiment, that is Y minus X. Y is the weight of empty shallow weighing bottle with cotton and X is the minus weight of empty shallow weighing bottle. Then weight loss on drying, that is Y minus Z. Y is the weight of empty shallow weighing bottle with cotton minus Z. Z is weight of empty shallow weighing bottle with cotton after drying to constant weight. Then 5 gram of sample gives a dash dash gram of weight loss on drying. Then therefore 100 gram of sample is given question mark and calculate here the loss on drying. Okay, in the result write down the here result of this experiment. Then and last question is, these are the questions related to this experiment and it is very important. Okay, you all students are able to answer this question after watching this video. Okay, I will stop here. Thank you.